In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest version of Windows 11 directly from Microsoft using the official and safest method. This is perfect if you want to upgrade your PC. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the following, as shown on your screen now. And press Enter. This is the official Microsoft download page for Windows 11. On this page, you'll see 3 download options. The first option is the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This option is best if you want to upgrade your current PC to the latest version of Windows 11. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image, also known as ISO. Click the drop-down, select Windows 11. Choose your preferred language and click Confirm. Now click 64-bit download to start downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. Use the Installation Assistant if you are upgrading the same PC. Use the ISO file if you want to create a bootable USB drive or install Windows 11 on another computer. And that's how to download the latest version of Windows 11 the official way. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to IT Insider for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.